Okay, today is your final speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, for your speaking test, there are two parts. Part 1 is about yourself, and part 2 I'm going to ask some questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with the part 1. What's your full name?
My full name is Hoàng Bảo Trâm.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Lê Lợi.
Where are you studying?
My school name is Lê Lợi Primary School.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in grade 5
How about an Alaska English Center?
at Alaska English Center. I'm in class 855B21.
Very good. Now let's proceed with the part 2. In the part 2, we have 4 topics. First topic is, let's talk about your free time activities. How do you like to spend your free time?
I read a book with my mother in my free time.
Next, let's have topic 2. Let's talk about learning English. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like studying English?
I like studying English because I want to speak English fluently.
Fluently. Okay, very good. Next, how do you learn English?
I learn English by studying at Alaska English Center.
Very good. Next, topic 3. Let's talk about daily activities using adverbs of frequency. What activity that you always do?
I always take a shower before I go to bed.
What activity that you usually do?
I usually brush my teeth before I go to the living room.
And what activity that you never do?
I never check my calendar before I go to school.
Okay, very good. Next, the last topic is topic 4 about experiences. Have you gone rafting, hiked in a rainforest, or climbed a mountain before, and with whom?
Yes, I have gone rafting with my family, but I haven't hiked in the rainforest and climbed a mountain with them.
Okay. Next, question number 2. Which country do you want to travel to and why?
I want to travel to Switzerland because it's a beautiful country.
You want to go to Switzerland. That's a nice country. Last question. Can you name 3 countries that you know?
Spain, Australia, and France.
Okay, that's all for today, Cham. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Great job.